truth. Today's topic is how C++ actually calculates A++. What is internal details? Okay, so I think this A plus B, this addition perform, this operator plus operator, I think we always use hundred or a million of times. But how it is working internally? Is C++ knows the answer magically or something happening behind the scene? Let's uncover the truth behind the operators. So there are many operators are available in C++. For example, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus. And there are some others equal to, does not equal to, like this, does not equal to, does not equal to, and logical, plus plus, minus minus. So I'll explain one by one. So an operator is not just a simple, it tells the computer to perform an action. So think operator as an instruction. They tells the CPU what work need to be done. And for example, I am adding it here, a plus b. What it is doing, it is adding these two variables means two values, 10 plus 2, and storing into a temporary location. So like that, there are another operators, like for example, I am adding a minus b, like the g is equal to a star b, means multiply, modulus, like this. So there are multiple type of operators are available. This is called arithmetical operators. What it is called? This is called arithmetic operators. Why? Because it is performing some mathematical operations. So the result, whenever this operation happen, the result will store into a temporary value before assigning into h or any variable. Okay. So now there are some operator which is used to assign a value like this. This is assignment operator equal to, right? But there are some operator which is used to do calculation as well as assignment, like this, int a, int r equal to plus equal to y. So what it means, this is called assignment operator. What it is doing this thing. R is equal to r plus this, r is equal to r plus 5. For example, I'm doing this, right? So yeah, so r key value 10. The value of the r is 10, and then it is assigning this value. What it is mean? It is assigning r is equal to r plus 5, current value plus 5. So it is doing the operation, arithmetical operation, as well as assignment, both. So these are the shortcuts basically. Instead of writing x equal to x plus 5, we are just writing it r is equal to plus equal to 5. For example, we are writing this, instead of we just write it a shortcut thing. So there are some operator which is used to for the comparison. That value is um, less than or greater than. Okay. So means if 10 equal to 10, it will mean equal. This is true. And 10 does not equal to, see, it is checking false. This is not equal to, means this value is not equal to this one. This value is greater than this one. This is less than sign. This is less than equal to sign. This is all. Okay. So like this, you can utilize the operations and giving the instruction to the CPU to perform an action. And these operators, the comparison operators, always return true and false, nothing else. Okay, so there are some other operator which is called logical operators. So these logical operators are used to combine two logic. It contain and, or, like this. For example, 10 and 1. That means true, and this means true, and this means false. Why? It is checking if this is true and this is true, then it is only true, because these two conditions need to be true. If then the answer will be true in in and logical operator. But in case of or, if any of this is true, then it is mark as a true, right? So for example, I am adding one more here. Yeah. So I am adding this thing. Okay. So you see, the result will be true. Why true? Because it is just over. One of them is true means answer is true. So this is called logical operators. This logical operators combine helps to combine multiple things. Whenever we comes to a topic if else and all, you will find out that there are many things which we can use here, right? So when you do this thing a plus b, most of the tutorials stops here, but we'll go deep inside this. When you write a plus operator, the CPU perform an action and the result exists temporarily, and then it will stored into the C value. The operator actually becomes machine instruction. So this is the way it is working internally. Today you learn the operator are not just a symbol, they are instructed instructions given to the computer, and every instruction eventually means machine level work. So always remember, think logically when you are doing coding. There is nothing to memorize. There is a always a thing you need to remember key. Remember, that is, you need to think logically. You will get the answer and you will able to solve any problem easily. So like this, if you want to get more information, subscribe Code Truth channel, and you will get more inside of the programming and real world programming, I would say, and also design principles and real engineering you will able to learn in this coding channel. And follow the Instagram page as well. And let's meet in next class. Thank you guys.
For more details, subscribe Code Truth's YouTube channel.